do all the time ASCII. I prefer ASCII. Okay, so we did the same thing here for well headers or well heads. So I have them in ASCII file. It was in text editor, just file, save as, and then all files. So it's here in the ASCII. Just add the extension here, dot ASCII, and then save. I have it already here saved. Okay, so we have the headers ready, well logs ready, well tops. I didn't pick them up, so we'll create them in the software in the Petrel. Deviation survey, we need it when we have inclined wells or horizontal wells, but all our wells are vertical or our outcrops. Okay, so let's go from there and start our project. So we created we did the projection in Petrel. So the other step that we need, just we go in new folder, right click on it, on that new folder in the input pane setting, and name it. So I'll name it Miocene Cyrenaica. Okay, apply, okay, and under this folder you need to add new well folder. Okay, and on this new well folder, just go there, click on it, right click, and go to import on selection. Okay, and go to your folder on the desktop, which is here, Amarone Miocene Cyrenaica. Double click, look for wells headers. And the other thing here, you have to be careful, find file type. We're looking for headers, so we go well heads. So we find here well heads, file type, and then this is my well heads. Open them up, look here, we'll find well name. Okay, my files here, you can double click here and find well name. UWI, second field UWI. X, third, fourth field, no Y, northing, Y. Fifth field, base elevation, which is well datum, okay. And the sixth one is MD, the measured thickness. So go here and find MD, measured thickness or total depth. Okay, and the rest we need to delete them. Click on 7, delete. So we need just 6 fields, the rest we don't need them, delete. Okay, so here number of the header lines, just put number 1 because we have one header line here. Okay, and well datum name, it's not KB, it's KB kilobushi, but we need ground level. Okay, and then just OK for all, and here head just OK for all. Okay, so we see here all wells heads are here. Second thing to do, right click on wells, import on selection, and go and find your well logs, and go to the file type here and change it to well logs ASCII because my files are all ASCII. Okay, select all your wells, so all selected, okay, in one shot, and then open. What you have here, you'll have match file name and well name, so make sure that A1 matching A1 on file name and well trace, so all match it, all match it, all match it. Okay, good, hit OK, and here MD, hit MD decrease. This is Jew frame system. goes decrease, and ours goes with the same system of the G frame because we started, it's an outcrop, so the top is the highest value because we measured from the bottom to the top, so the bottom is the opposite of the subsurface, so we do decrease. Okay, here don't go with auto detect logs, just go specify logs to load. Okay, so and add 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, first log is just elevation. Okay, which is column number 1. Okay, column number 2, here this is thickness or elevation, number 1. Number 2 is potassium, so just K percent, sorry, K percent. Okay, so here for number 1 is elevation depth. Okay, second one potassium, which is gamma ray, so Fg gamma ray, so we'll choose gamma ray potassium. Okay, the third one you can follow it here is uranium. Okay, number 3, so go find it in property template and find gamma ray uranium. Good, find it. And then after that we have thorium, gamma ray thorium, number 4. Do the same thing, gamma ray thorium. And then the 5th log is total, or you can say just gamma ray, G ray, GR. Okay, GR, and then here F G, okay, G gamma ray, yeah, it's total gamma ray. Okay, so all set now, all my logs named. Elevation, we can go with EL, LF, elevation, okay, and then okay for all. Okay, now my logs imported, so how could I see them? Just go to Windows, here, up to the window, and then go to wells and click on them, global, click on them, and then come here to the window of the 2D axis, and then auto lesion, and then okay, so all my wells are here. You see them, those small spots, those my wells. Zoom in, zoom out. Sorry. Okay, it's enlarged to see them better. Okay, the second step, go to Windows again and see them in 3D. Again, you need to go to wells and check them all, check the globals and make sure they have an axis, auto lesion, and then okay, all of them here, so you can zoom in,